Lately I found this Doom-like game on R36Max retro game console. I was really impressed and I decided to share a video about it with you. The game is called Blackstone, Aliens of Gold. And today I'm going to show you how to install this Doom-like game. First, make sure you power on the device. Have your Wi-Fi dongle prepared. You'll need it to access the internet. If you never connected your game console to the internet, I have a video about it. You can check it out. Insert your Wi-Fi dongle into the OTG USB port of the device. Usually, it's the one from the right. To make sure you are connected, go to Options and select Network Info. You should be able to see your network name and IP address. Sometimes the devices will not connect if the dongle is inserted after the device boots up. If that's the case, press the Select button and click Restart. Click Yes to confirm the restart and wait for the device to boot up. Go to the network info like described in the previous step. You should now be connected. It's time now to launch Portmaster. Go to Options and select Tools. In the Tools, you should find Portmaster. Launch it. While you wait, you should see this Portmaster logo. Once Portmaster is loaded, you should see this menu. Select all ports to access the full games list. Next, navigate to the Blackstone, Aliens of Gold in the list. As a tip, you can also use the L1 or R1 buttons from the back of the device. In the Game Info screen, click A to install the game. Now the installation begins. It's going to take a couple of minutes. The game should be installed successfully and ready to play. We need to gracefully exit the Portmaster interface. Hit B to go back. We need to press B another time at the main Portmaster menu. Lastly, press A to confirm the exit. Congratulations! You completed the most challenging part. Now we learn how to launch the game. In the main menu, open the Ports tab like shown in the screen above. Here you should be able to see the game. Select and click A to launch it. You'll be presented with 3 intros. The first one, the second one, finally the third one. Cool, now we're in the main menu. Select the first item called New Mission. Here we choose a mission. Since it's the first time you play, only the first mission is available. Next, select the difficulty level depending on your style and endurance. This game also has a debriefing at the beginning of the mission. Just click A to dismiss it. Again, click A to dismiss the Get Ready screen. Finally, press a key to dismiss the mission first objective. Hooray, you are now playing this cool Doom-like game. Use arrow keys to navigate, left joystick to strafe. And most importantly, use R1 to shoot. Took me a while to get this. I'll leave you to discover the rest. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. We learned in this video how to install this Doom-like game called Blackstone, Aliens of Gold. I hope that the instructions were clear and that you already enjoyed the gameplay. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to contact me. I reply to all the comments. Also, I'm very curious to get your feedback about the format of this video. It means a lot to me. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I also invite you to watch my other video about retro gaming. See you there.